Inselmulkom nilqawkom għal programm ieħor mis-sensiela xi qrajt dan l-aħħar. Illum se niltaqgħu ma' Rita Antoinette Borg li tikteb f'kull ġeneru iżda l-aktar li tikteb huwa għażżar. Fil-fatt l-ewwel ktieb bl-istampi tagħha On a Lonely Tree kien l-ewwel wieħed li ġie ppubblikat f'format bilingwi, kemm bl-Ingliż kif ukoll bil-Malti. Fl-2016 hija ser tippubblika l-ktieb Amber Alien's Pet Pursuit li se jiġi ppubblikat minn Horizons, filwaqt li l-poeżija Waiting for Dolphins ser tiġi pubblikata minn Bloomsbury UK li huma magħrufin għas-serje ta' Harry Potter. Allura, Rita Antoinette, xi qrajt dan l-aħħar?
Hello, thank you for having me. I always read children's books mostly, and my picture book that I've chosen is Oskar and the 8 Blessings. I've chosen it because I grew up in New York, and there's a map of New York inside the book, and it's about a Jewish boy who leaves Nazi Germany in 1938. And goes to New York by ship. He leaves his parents and everything. And it's a new adventure. And he sees Christmas for the first time in New York. And I remember Christmas in New York, and that's why I chose this. My second book is by DiCamillo. It's The Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane. DiCamillo is my favorite authors. I have all her books. And this one is one of my favorite because it's about a toy rabbit that has no heart. He thinks that he's the most special thing in the world. And by his miraculous journey, he gets lost and he goes through lots of, meets people, lots of journeys. He meets a little girl with cancer, and his heart slowly becomes real. He becomes a toy that can feel and understands that I don't want to give the end, but he finds that person that he loves again. And that's why I chose these books.
U peress li tikteb għat-tfal, taqra ħafna kodba bl-istampi?
In a way I have to, that's my job. I read 100 picture books a year. And I am trying to learn how to write chapter books also. Chapter books are from ages 8 to about 11. And because I want to expand in my writing, and even poetry and plays, I would like to start writing those things too.
Taqra aktar ġeneri ta' kodba?
I do. Every book that you read makes you learn more. And if you have nothing in your head, you can't bring out writing. It's important to read. It's very, very important. But my favorite is always children's. What I buy is for children. What I get from other people is adult books. Because I prefer spending my money on children's books. I love the pictures. I love the way the language is spoken, both in British English and American English. It's so fascinating for me, and I want to do that. I want to learn how they do that.
Thank you very much, Rita Antoinette, grazzi tal-li kont magħna, nirringrazzjaw lilkom tal-li segwejtuna u aħna narawkom il-ġimgħa d-dieħla fl-istess ħin.